Hi guys, welcome to our channel Being Trader, and now we are starting a video. Or this video basically for it's a practical video on how to use these moving averages. Okay, so this is an example of using moving averages to show how to use the moving averages, and you can see I took here 1 minute candlesticks has regularly, but I won't take it for 1 minute expiration time, but expiration time will take at least a 10 sorry 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay, it's a good thing, because these moving averages will work for higher number of time frames. It will work good for higher number of time frames, and the market is not good, but we'll try for best. Okay, you can see here it's a downtrend. Why? Because this purple EMA is a 200 EMA, and this red one is a 50, and this green one is a 26. You can see here these are the crossovers. Okay, these are the crossovers. Okay, if the crossover happens like this is a crossover. Okay, 50 and 26 crossover, and this is a 26 and 200 crossover. Always remember the thing, these will also work as the resistance and support. Okay, these will also work as a dynamic resistance and support. So always remember that if the market is below to this 200, okay, until the market crosses this 200, the market is nothing but it is a downtrend. Okay, always remember this point. Okay, now we're going to place our trades. Okay, as we know that these EMS will act as a support and resistance. See here, it acts as support, right? Always like this, the market will come down and again it will test it and it will move back to its normal position. Okay, I hope I have some chance here. I'm going to take my trade here, but I'm getting a less time, but no problem. Okay, took care. Okay, my trade placed some for, but no problem. At maximum number of times we're going to win. So it's a USD CHF. Let us see after 2 minutes. Okay, I'm going to place my put option here. The market is very volatile. Actually, this is not the time for me to trade, but because of some work, I'm doing it. And okay, we placed two trades, or JPY and USD CHF. Okay, now okay, actually we have the chance. Okay, I took here a call option. My entry point is good here. Please don't place your trades until these lines come below this 200 EMA. Okay, if you are trying to place for downtrend, okay, please place your trades along with the trend. Why? Because see here, if you place here a call option, definitely it will going to go down on level, because these moving averages are telling that the market is changing its trend. It is being changed its trend. Okay, so always remember that. Please place, if this if the market is in the downtrend, and wait, let me show you a good example. See here, okay, please wait until these lines come above the 200 EMA. If you wait, see here, yeah, if you are placing, if you are trying to place, okay, now let us see. The market is in this situation. Okay, the market, you can't see the front, right? The market is in this situation. You are trying to place a call option. You can't place here up in this area. Okay, you can't place here. Of Even though, okay, now at this point, okay, at this point, after this point, after after this point, you can place a trade. Okay, okay. If you are placing your trade for forex, if you place here, okay, if you placed here, you can see the next thing. Okay, the next crossover of 50 and 26 is here, and still the market didn't cross this 200. Okay, you can see from here, yeah, at this point. Okay, from this point to this point, it's a massive growth. Please do this. Okay, and you can stop, or you can exit from the trade when the market, or when these crossovers happen to this 200 EMA. Okay, okay, we might lose this, no problem. Okay, I placed three trades, but I placed three trades. We won two out of three, but I don't know why the market went like this. Actually, I might miss something. Always remember, I think it's see here. Always remember, place your trades near to these EMS. Okay, near to these EMS. Please don't place far from this. Okay, I thought actually I placed here, but it because of the fast momentum the trade placed here. It's a good thing. Okay, it's a good entry point of me. Okay, this is how you need to place. Let me place two or more trades. It's just to show an example. I hope by these examples you will going to get an idea how to place the trades. Okay, yeah, okay, we can go with the call option. If this market come here, why? Because we can't place here only, it may come down. Okay, if the market is above, okay, if it successfully crossed like this, please don't place your trades. Okay, avoid to place your trades. And and one more thing, if the market is far from these levels, okay, far from these levels, don't place your trades. Okay, at any time the market may go up to these lines. Okay. If I got a chance, I'm going to place here, but I can't place my trade here. Why? Because it's very far. It may come it may come near to these lines in future, so I can't place. Okay, in last trade we placed here, but it successfully went up. As I said, it will act as resistance. Okay, if you're trading in a forex or a stock market, you can wait until these two crossovers. Okay, you can wait until these two lines to cross over, or you can wait until this 50 EMA to cross 200 EMA. Many all over world, many traders will do like this. So okay, the market is changing its trend. We can't place now also. Why? Because these lines are below. Okay, these lines are below this 200 EMA, so we need to wait until these lines to come above the 200 EMA, then we can place our trades. And remember that if it acts like this, okay, if uh, how can I say, if the market is went more far from this EMAs, please avoid to trade. I think I may get one more chance. Okay. Yeah, I'm not getting enough chance. No problem. Okay, we're not getting any chance, guys. This is what I need to tell you. And place these around. Okay, remember one thing. If you are finding like this, don't place your trades. Please place your trades near to the EMAs, okay, near to the EMAs, and don't place your trades if these lines below, okay, below this 200 EMA. If you need to take a call option, these lines must present above the EMA, okay. Don't forget, and don't take for don't take your trades for to these lines, okay. At any time it may reverses this, okay. I might have a chance here to place my trade. I think the video is getting more time, but forgive me. That I will going to pause my video after placing my trade. Okay, sorry. Okay, to clear my position, put position, I will going to pause my video and I will going to resume after the result. Okay. Okay, guys. You can see here the next candle after I placed the next candle came down. It acts as a strong resistance. Okay, you can see here. This is why I always tell you, please place your trade near to these lines. Okay, even though now it came, the market came to this level. The candles will going to get some rejections. We're going to be in a safe side. Okay. Okay, guys. We have only 15 seconds more to complete this trade. As I told, if we place our trade near to these lines, we're going to get this type of rejections. Okay, we're going to win. If I place my trade here, what it would be happen? Okay, these will going to, it might become lost because of my entry point, right? So as I always tell you that if you need to place your trades near to these lines. Okay, if you place at this point, you're going to be in a safe zone because these lines will reject the prices. Okay, these lines the price will be rejected. You can see here as I place here, even these candles is rejected and I got a profit. Okay, please place your trades at these points. Okay, out of 4 trades we won 3 trades. Okay, one it's a we can't win 100 out of 100 trades, right? Okay, one we lost because the trend is changing, but we never observed that. Okay, this is how the moving averages will help us. Please work on this. It will give a good results because already I'm seeing a good results for me. This is how this is how the actual traders will work. You can see the market is going down now. Why? Because this is as I told, at this point the market will going to get resistance and then it will continue its normal trend. Okay, now the normal trend is downtrend. Why? Because you can see the market is came below this 200 EMA. Okay, see here, once it came, it continued up to this level, right? So like that, so the market will continue its normal downtrend now. Okay, guys, this is how you need to work. I hope you understood. If you didn't understand, please contact me, or you can join our group. There's a WhatsApp group, you can join it and you're going to get a uh, you know uh, you're going to get a good support from us. Okay, thank you, guys. Have a nice day. And please share with your friends, guys. Okay, it will help us to reach more audience. Okay, it will also help us to it will boost my confidence. Okay, thank you, guys. Have a nice day. Please subscribe.